TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to join us today. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some crochet braids that I have installed right now. Y'all know that I'm up for those protective styles that will not break the bank, as well as something that you can do quick and easy yourself in the comfort of your own home. Y'all, we gotta save these coins. Like, we got goals that we trying to meet, we got things we want to accomplish, we got places that we want to see. So this is gonna be one of those looks that are so affordable. I actually found a website that have them on sale, so y'all might want to get them now and don't wait. So let's get into the specs of this video. I don't want to ramble too much. I just want to basically give you a quick review on this hair. So I received this hair from Janet Collection. This hair is new within their collection. This is the Tress synthetic braids and the Ghana Faux Locs. And I believe they have them in 2 different inches. The inches that I have in is a 12-inch. So I do have in the 12-inch, and as you can see, it does give you the actual faux lock twisted method, and then at the ends they went ahead and curled it for you. So you don't have to dip the hair and try to put rollers on it to try to curl it. It's already curled for you. And I know some people, they actually crochet in curly hair so that at the ends of each hair it can be actually curly, but Janet Collection already took care of that for you. So it's a 2-in-1. It's the actual faux lock with the curl at the end. Love it, love it, love it. And as you can see, I did go ahead and take some hair jewels that I pretty much already had in my house and found. They are from Janet Collection. I believe they sent these jewels to me in like another collaboration that I did like a few months ago. So if you want to check them out, I mean, even if you don't, these can be found at all types of beauty supply stores. I think you can find it at Walmart, Target, like pretty much anywhere that they sell hair accessories. And the gold string came from my bundles. You know how like when your bundles come with a little rubber band on it, sometimes they come with like a silver or like a gold like string around it. That's pretty much what I use. Let me see if I got an example. If I got an example, I'm gonna pop it up on the screen so that y'all can see it. Pretty much what I use. I mean, you gotta use what you have. And that's exactly what I did. I used it. It was in my top drawer. I was like, this will look real cute if I put this on my twist. So that's what I used. Like I stated before, this hair is 12 inches. I did use 7 packs, y'all. I ran out of hair. I do have a big head, and I'm actually pretty surprised that I ran out of hair, but then again, I'm not surprised, because one con that I have about this hair is that in each pack, it only comes with 14 individual locks. As you can see, these locks are extremely tiny. Like, look how skinny they are. These aren't like the thick locks. These are very skinny. So with them being very skinny, 14 locks is not enough for a big head like me. And so each pack came with 14 in it. So I did need about 2 more packs, but I pretty much just made it work. As you can see, it's not thick. So if you're one of those type of people that don't like a lot of hair in your head, this is pretty much, you know, what you would go for. But in the back of my head, like under all of this, the part that's not visible, there's no hair there. All I have are my braids, and that's a no-go, because if I wanted to pull these back into a ponytail and I wanted to get them pretty much out of my face, that wouldn't work because I don't have any twist back there. So that's just one of the cons that I have about this hair. I do have my hair braided in 10 braids going across, and then those 10 braids are connected with 5 braids in the back, and that worked for me. Some people may do more. Some people may do less. Some people just do the braids going straight back. That's pretty much how I do most of my crochet braids. I'll do a certain amount of number in the front, and then in the back I'll have half of that many braids that I have in the front. So if you do 12, then 6 braids in the back will be perfect. The only difference with the braids in the back is that the braids are a little thicker. So instead of crocheting 1 lock on it, I have to do it on both sides. So I'll do it on one side, and then I'll do it on another side as well. And I did not record a how-to video on this hair, but I am going to pop up on the screen another video that show you how to crochet the faux locks in the head in your hair because this is not my first time doing one of these type of videos. So I'm gonna pop that up on the screen as well. Like I stated before, these locks right now will run you about $5.99 a pack. I am gonna put everything down in the description box below for you to purchase this hair. I know a lot of people always ask me how long do I think certain styles would last. This is one of those styles that I know would last 4 weeks. As you can see in my head now, it's going on almost a little bit over, going into the second week. It's a little bit over a week that I've had these in my head, and I'm just gonna show you a close-up on the screen. One thing I love about faux locks is that I'm not one of those type of people when I go for a natural style. I'm not one of those people that want my hair to stay uniformed. I love how ununiform these locks look because they make it look more realistic. So that's always the style that I'm going for, is a more realistic style. I don't want it to look like I have weave on my head. Like some people thought that these were growing out of my scalp, and if I keep these in long enough, they possibly could be. But so yeah, that's the look that I usually go for. I like the realistic look. So these do have a little bit of frizz. These do have a little bit of frizz. So if you want them type of people that don't like frizz, I don't really know what to tell you. But at the same time, like I just said, it's one of those hairstyles that will not break the bank, because as you know, when people do faux locks, they charging up to $200 for this look when you can just pretty much get this look for what, like $50, $60. So I mean, you really can't beat that. Turn you on some Netflix, get you a glass of wine, get you a bucket of ice cream, whatever you like. Get in the couch, get your groove going with some music, and before you know it, this style will be done. It literally only took me 2 hours to put this in my head, and within 2 hours I was good to go. That's not including how long it took for my hair to be braided down, but it was 2 hours for me to put this hair in. So you can't beat that. Like $60, something you can do yourself, 2 hours. Like you can't beat that. But like I stated before, I'm going to put all of the information down in the description box. I'm also going to pop the video in showing you how to crochet faux locks in. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. I'm done, Haley.
Okay now. That was quick.
I'm still recording you.
Oh shit. Let them kids know how to do $250 hairstyle for the 50.
Yes, girl. We gotta save them coins.
Save those coins, ladies. Get information. Get like your girl. The key is me.
Y'all, I love my best friend so much. Listen, y'all, this is the trick. If you always want to get something done, call that person that literally keeps you going, keeps you saying. I call Haley all the time to help me stay focused to finish these videos. So y'all, thank Haley right now for this video, because your girl is tired. I'm running off a low sleep. I ain't got no coffee in my system. I'm tired, but I got it done. I got it done.
You're welcome, Kiana's fan.